Welcome to 1831 East Boundary Road. This neat 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home with a den and sunroom, as well as LVP flooring throughout inside. It's located in the Woodfield Park neighborhood or area in Northeast Columbia, near I-77. Also convenient to I-20, Fort Jackson, and other Northeast area amenities. So we're outside here in the front yard. You have a semi-fenced property. There's no gate at the driveway, but there is fencing pretty much around the entire lot. You have a driveway here up to the what used to be a carport or garage, but that's been converted into den space inside, which you'll see. You have a covered front porch here as well. And then we also have the living room here as we enter the home off the entry. See if we can get you some more light there. Not a light fixture in here. Window out to towards the front yard. And then your hallway and everything to the bedrooms are to the left there behind me, but you come around through the hall to the more of the living space. So you have the dining area here, large open dining area open to the kitchen, and also to this sliding door here out to the sunroom. So again, you have windows on two sides there. So just a nice little sort of addition off the back of the house, and then access to the backyard here. And you can see you have the fencing that goes along the side. So I do stand corrected. No fencing at the back of the lot. I do apologize. But of course you do have sort of a pad back there. There is a shed and workshop. There are some power connections in there. Not sure if those are working at this time. But you have some backyard space. And then in the kitchen here, you have, as you can see, an included stainless steel electric range and refrigerator. And then right off of that space, you have the den. So it just sort of steps down a level. Nice sized room. And at the back end of it, you have where your washer dryer connections are in here. If we can get you some light, there you go. So full size washer dryer connections and sort of a utility room at the back here. And then nice space also, another exit out to the side, or entrance if you like. And then on down the hall, you have your bedrooms and baths on the way. There's a closet. Then you have 3 bedrooms here, one on the left, or 2 on the left, sort of, or facing the front of the home. You can see the closet there. And bedroom number 2. The closet here. Have the bifolds are tucked behind the door. And then linen closet at the end of the hall. Master bedroom back here facing the backyard. Has a closet in the corner. And you can see has its own private bathroom as well, or half bath. You have a single vanity and sink in here, some beadboard, wainscoting, and commode, and then your second closet here as well. Attic pull down here in the hallway, and then last but not least, as we come back up the hall towards the living space again, you have your full bathroom. You do see those floors continue. You also have the beadboard in here, single vanity and medicine cabinet, and then your tub and shower are tucked back into the corner. So that completes our tour of this home in Northeast Columbia, 1831 East Boundary Road. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.